Hello?
Hello, brother. You little big head, you. Pick up the phone.
It's you again?
Yes, it's me.
How can I help this time?
How everything went last night? Oh, you mean alright? Alright? Everything is alright, alright. It is alright, alright. Of course if you're alright. Now me was there.
Was you there?
Yes, man, me was there, man.
What? I didn't see you there.
I was there, you know.
Where was you?
I was chatting to all the little beautiful princesses them round the back, you see. You see, most people down there owe me pure part of money, you know. Yes, man. Them owe me a lot of money, you know. So I had to come and pick up the tithes money and the partner money. And after me finish, me got a little offering and another bowl of tithes. A 3 bucket me bring down there, you know. Fill them up. Pure money me bring home.
Okay, well, did you enjoy the event?
I had a wonderful time last night, you know.
It's pretty good, wasn't it?
Me going swimming tomorrow, you know. Yes, I'm going skiing. No, not swimming. Me can't swim. Me's a black man. Me going swimming. Me afraid of water. That's why me and me goggles them. Why?
Oh, okay. Why didn't you come in?
Me was there. I told her I was round the back talking to some woman. Me meet a sweet woman, you see. She have enough money, you see.
I didn't see you there.
Yes, sir. So, how did the drum battle go last night?
I'm shattered. I'm just worn out.
What happened? You still alive?
Yeah.
Him give you a hard time, didn't he? I told you, you train too hard. When you lick the drum, you look like Mike Tyson. You must take your time, man. You must be more like Muhammad Ali. Don't use all the energy, but the energy. Listen, man. One of your arm bigger than 2 of him arm put together. Even me stick, even me cane, bigger than one of that little Margo boy arm. Him so thin. Him want to drink some strong drink. Anyway, I had a wonderful time last night, you know. Yes. I meet a very marvelous young lady, you know. She was very nice to me, you know. She give me her tithes money, you see. And once she give me her tithes money, she halfway there. Cause me need the money to go send back home. Anyway, the drum battle, me not happy with your performance, boy. You hold back too much, man.
Yeah. That's true.
You should have killed him. You hold back halfway through. What you was doing? Oh, you were saving the energy. I see. And at the end, you didn't kill him? Him still alive?
He was too fast.
Oh, you mean?
I'm just really tired. Completely worn out. It was tough. It was like battling an octopus. His arms were everywhere.
So, alright. Wait a minute. Who win the drum battle then?
Well, looking at it now, I did pretty good. Put up a damn good fight. I'd say it's a draw.
Draw? Draw?
That's just my opinion.
Draw!
You nearly blew my ears off.
You mean if you say you train your big head self for 2 months, lick down the place, disturb the neighbors, please come in your yard, cause you lick drum all day. Just for draw? Draw? Alright, me want all the money back that me did give you, okay? Just to say that you was good. Me want it all back because you was rubbish. You never did good enough. You was better than that, man. Me have to admit, me wouldn't mess with that boy that boy there. That little ninja, he more like Bruce Lee. When him take out him nunchuckers, even me run out the place. I felt sorry for you, brother Energy. Okay, so the ninja almost box you down, kill you. What you going to do about it?
It's gonna be a rematch.
When is the rematch?
Same time next year.
So what you gonna do about it?
You're gonna be there? Good.
Alright, yes. And for that, I'm going to be your manager. You see, your needs are managers. All you have to do is pay me the right money and I'll manage you to success next year this time. You see, my fee is very cheap. We only charge £100 an hour. Okay? And when me finish with you, you'll box him down, kill him, lick him down, kill him. When you finish with him, he won't be able to get up next year. You have a whole year this time, not those 2 months. I will train you. You think you don't know about drumming it. You use your whole body and your whole arm. That's why you feel tired after a few minutes.
Yeah, that's true.
You're supposed to take your time, you little idiot.
Well, I put up a damn good fight.
Him using fingers. That's why him was there laughing at you and smiling at you while you're there broke your neck and sweat. And that's why him sail all the way through. And look now, look pan you. I bet you was there worn out, innit? Admit it. Admit it.
Yeah, I'm just really tired.
You mash up, don't it? You is mash up!
Nobody makes a fool of the drum showman.
Alright, okay. So, it was a draw. Okay. So, next time, you have to do bigger and better than that. Otherwise, I'm gonna come and preach down there and mash up Friday Night Confusion.
God, watch my ears, please. God.
But under one condition. You must come in my church for 6 months and lick the drum for me.
No, I don't really want to do that. It's okay, find somebody else.
No, we don't have no other musician. It's just you one. Me run all of them. Me told you, innit? Them come and play Michael Jackson in a church. Right in the middle of the service, you know. Alright, it was afterwards. Them a play Smooth Criminal after the benediction. We say, no sir, no sir. Me's a smooth criminal. Yay! Get out of my church. No way. Not having it. Anyway, the strong drink was very nice. Thank you for the Stella. It was nice, you see. By the time we finished drink 2 Stella, we turned fool and idiot. Yes, it was good, you know.
Really?
I don't know why you have so much mix up down there. Pure white, black people. Eh? Just like the black thing, man. At church become finer when we see white man go play guitar and Omar that sing pop song. Me walk out of there. Say, no, this is no church of God.
Well, like I said before, my friend, this event wasn't for you anyway.
No way. I don't know what this Friday Night Confusion is.
So I'm glad you saw the drum battle. I'm glad you enjoyed it. But please, don't come back again.
I'm coming down there. There's nothing you can do about it. And I'm gonna preach down the place. And drink some strong drink when we finish. What? But wait. Are you smell at the place? Yes. How come this place smells so bad? Is you... Ah, sorry, it's me. You see, my belly's running, you see. My belly is running, and I'm a little bit addicted, you know. Yes, I'm addicted to cash, you know. I can't help myself. Every time we preach, we have to take a 2-minute break and have enough, friend. And if we don't get the right amount, fire and lightning, fire and brimstone in the service.
Really?
If we don't get the tithes money, what me you need to buy me new car and hat and everything, you know. Yes. Let me prove it to you. I have this little problem with sneezes, you know. Sometimes when I sneeze, all sorts of weird things come out of me. Well, you will see. Tithe money.
Yeah.
Tithes. Tithes. You see? I don't know what's happening to me. Everywhere me go, me see cash, tithes, partner, everything, everywhere me go. Hey, me don't know what's wrong with me. Lord God, me can't control it. I'm addicted, man.
I'm not available anyway. Plus, I'm going to my bed now. It's been a long night.
I can't even preach proper sermon now more. Everywhere me look, me around people down for money. It must be a Jamaican thing. Or a Pentecostal thing. I saw some people say anyway. Anyway, I'm going to train you. You need a minute.
Okay.
Brother Energy, step your eyes.
No. Stay where you are. I stay where I am.
Shut your mouth! You need a manager. Me a lick drum man years ago. Well, you know, no. I used to play it by was like a schoolboy. When me finish, all the girls them come run behind me, you know. And that's what keep me on. So next time when they come, you gotta lick him and box him down, kill him. Lick him down, kill him, box him down, thump him down. I told you, didn't I?
Because he's technically excellent, but I'm visually stunning. That's why I think it was a draw.
Behave yourself.
Next time, my friend, I'm gonna be the clear winner.
Me want you to come lick drum in me church. Just for 6 months. I will pay you. It won't cost me much money. Because the amount of money me make, you know how much money me get out of me 10 people? Them all have to pay £100 a Sunday morning. Just to be in my church. That's $1,000 energy. I will give you £100 every week if you come play for me. No. Me know none of these new musicians don't play for the Lord anymore. I'm the only one, innit? Most of them play for money. Even on a Sunday morning, me will pay you. The people them don't have to know. Them don't have to know them hard-earned monies going into your pocket. Them don't have to know that, man. Between me and you, that be nice. Anyway, I'm coming down, you know. This is just my introduction.
Okay, well, did you enjoy the event?
It's very entertaining, though. What? When other lick the drum, him spin, you spin. My God! We never seen nothing since the last time I went to go see my wife. And certain things happen, you know. None of their business. It was really good, man. When is the next show? Me can come?
Well, I don't think that's a very good idea.
Yes, I'm coming, you know. Me a come, man. And you will be the greatest one out of the two next year. You have to train harder. Steadfast. Never go to church. Stay home all day and pray and practice and practice. Nobody with wife, picnic and food. Of course you need money though. practice, practice, practice. Learn, learn, learn. Work, 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 you little big head. Spend all day, all night. Work on that weaker left hand. Work on it till it drop off. Then put it back on and work on it again. Make it weak. Mash it up. Work on it until it gets so strong. It's stronger than the right hand. Then you'll be able to take on anybody. That's what you have to do if you want to be a good drummer. You have to do them things, boy. No take no foolishness from nobody. Don't let nobody fool you. You have to work for these things. I told you, you never listen to me. And that is why you struggle. All the hard work. And the boy still nearly kill you. But anyway, you will put on a good fight. And as you say, it is a draw on it.
Okay, Mr. BuBu.
No. BuBu. BuBu. Call me BuBu.
Mr. BuBu, is it?
That's right. BuBu. A BuBus. Not BuBu. BuBus. DeaCun BuBu.
Is it Pastor?
But wait. Lord of mercy. You must have manners. They call me pastor. Me's a deacon.
Well, what do I call you then?
Call me deacon.
Okay. DeaCun BuBu.
That's better. Me's not a pastor. Me used to be. Them chopped me out of the church. Them did depart me from that country. Them sack and fire me. So me's a deacon. I was demoted. I was demoted. I supposed to be promoted and them demotivate me. I'm coming after them. But I am a deacon at the moment. Call me deacon. That is my name. You must have manners. Respect position. Me's a deacon. You's just a brother. Me's over you. You must submit to me. I am the higher authority. I am the higher hierarchy in the church of the living God. Lord bless my soul. Jesus took me to the cross of Calvary where the Satan run away from all the angels them. I'm a deacon. Don't call me nothing else. My Lord. I've never been so insulted in my life. You must have manners and respect and reverence for me put upon you.
Hand and heart, it's all about having a relationship with God. That's my only interest.
That is better. Alright, go on. That is all I have to say to you today. Thank you very much.
Bye-bye.